video, I'm going to teach you guys how to solve quadratic inequalities, but this time using DESMOS. Before we even continue, go ahead and pause the video and copy this down. Welcome back! As you can see, I'm just giving you the proper terminology for each inequality sign. Less than sign, greater than sign, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, let's look at this first example. It says solve the inequality x squared plus 2x minus 24 less than 0. First thing you're going to do, go to DESMOS.com, click on the button that says Open Graphing Calculator. Then you'll click on that screwdriver icon that's in the top right-hand corner. This will come down. Go ahead and unclick the box that says minor grid lines. And in both of the blanks where it says step, type in the number 1. That way you'll see all of the numbers. All right, now we're going to go ahead and type in the inequality that was given to us. All right, when you do that, it's going to grab this on the right side. The reason why the lines are dotted is because it's a strictly less than inequality sign. All right, now what this is simply saying, the reason why it's shaded in between these two roots of -6 and 4 is because that's where all the solutions are. So instead of me writing down every single solution, I'm just going to say all of the solutions are x. These are all x, all right? All of the solutions are in between -6 and 4. So I'll say -6 is less than x, which is less than 4. Now, the reason why I'm not saying less than or equal to is because, again, our original inequality sign was simply a less than sign. So my solution will be -6 is less than x, which is less than 4. And that simply means because all of the shaded solutions are in between the roots -6 and 4. And that's it. Let's look at another example. All right, in this one it says x squared plus 6x plus 8 greater than or equal to 0. All right, so when I type that in DESMOS, as you can see, the roots on the x-axis are -4 and -2. But this time, it's not shaded in between those two roots. It's shaded on the outside. So let's make sense out of that. Once again, everything that's shaded on the left side of -4, they represent the solution. So all of this stuff is x. But notice that all of these numbers that keep going and going and going and going to the left side, they're all smaller than -4. So therefore, I'm going to say x is less than or equal to -4 because all of the solutions are going to be smaller than -4. Now, on the right side, as you can see, all of this is shaded. So yeah, this is representing x because we're not going to write down every single number. However, let's pay attention to what kind of numbers these are. These numbers are bigger than -2, right? So I'm going to say x is greater than or equal to -2 on this side. So when I write out my actual solution, I will say x is less than or equal to -4 or x is greater than or equal to -2. And the reason why I'm putting that equal to part is because that's what was in the original problem. And that's it.